So today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy, really cool thing that we can make rainbows with pieces of paper and water. So this is really good if you have kids. So all that we need is water and we need some clear nail varnish. And I'm just going to pop this a few drops into the water. So you can see it when it's dropped in. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a sheet of paper and I'm just going to dip it in the water. So I'm going to put that in like that. And I'm going to slowly lift it up. So we will put this to dry and you'll see a kind of a really cool shine on it. So I have now got my science experiments from the windowsill. And do you know what? When I looked online and I looked at how to make these, you literally just add a few drops. It was as simple as this. This was the experiment. However, I just look like I've got a bit of an oily bit of paper, so maybe that's a science fail. Science fail. So you can find out other science experiments, you can find out recipes and all sorts of things on natalieeaglen.com.